Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple dish out of cauliflower, chicken, mushroom and carrots. So delicious to eat and so simple. Very few ingredients required to make this stir fry. So let's get started how to make this stir fry. Let's begin. In my wok, first I'm going to put is oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add my chicken. Now to this I'm going to add chicken powder or chicken seasoning, just a little bit, and I'm going to use garlic powder. I'm going to use 1 huge teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and I'm going to stir this. I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to use cauliflower, I'm going to then add my carrots, and my spring onions, and lastly my mushrooms. Quickly going to stir this. This is just a very quick stir fry. It does not take that much time to cook. Most of my vegetables are going to be semi-raw. I'm just going to slightly cook them. And finally, I'm just going to season this with light soy. Look how easy it is. Few ingredients and so delicious. Light soy and a little bit of and a pinch of sugar. Not a pinch exactly, but then at least a teaspoon of sugar. Alright then, I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes now and then turn off the gas. But before that, I'm going to thicken up my gravy by using cornstarch. Okay, in the meantime what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cover this and let it cook for a while in its steam, and then I'm going to add cornstarch to thicken my gravy. Okay, then see you in a while. As you can see now, it has started boiling. My chicken is already cooked. Cauliflower is alright. It's cooked, but it's not very soft. I still like it crunchy a little bit. So is my carrots. They're not overcooked. And also my mushrooms. At this stage what I'm going to do is thicken the gravy by adding a cornflour slurry, cornstarch slurry. You could use tapioca, you could use potato, you could use cornflour, whichever you like, whatever is available at home. I'm going to use cornstarch. I'm using cornstarch and thickening the gravy. I'm just going to allow it to boil for about 2 minutes more and then turn off the flame. Look how delicious it looks already, and it smells wonderful. So few ingredients and so delicious to eat. Just mushrooms, cauliflower, carrot, and spring onion. All I added was just garlic powder, and I've added chicken seasoning and soy sauce. That's it. And a little sugar just to get that sweetness. And it is so delicious, trust me. Just try it at home and you will see. And you will forget ordering from out. Alright? So if you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon and also like the recipe and comment on it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this and do try it at home. Eat it with steamed rice. It is going to be delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.